Welcome makers to the laser world with Sublimonchis. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to execute a precision laser engraving on leather using a fiber laser. We are going to engrave these highly detailed vector designs and see if this application is a good fit for your business. I'm Ramon Arroyo, your visual communication design specialist, Sublimonchis for my friends. Let's get right into the video. Alright everyone, we are now inside EzCad. We will start with this first design and go straight to the hatch settings. In hatch 1, we can see the options. A line spacing of 0.05mm works perfectly, and we will set the loop distance to 0.05mm as well. Notice how the design changes. This is exactly how the laser will fill in the patterns. We are going to repeat the same process for this wolf design and loop distance to 0.5mm. Now click OK. The red button is used for the red light framing, which generates a real-time preview of exactly where our design will hit the engraving area. Once we hit mark, we send the data directly to the machine to begin the actual laser engraving process. To set our custom speed and power parameters, we need to uncheck the Use Default Param box. For this project, we are going to set an engraving speed of 500 and a power level of 80. Alright, creative partners. Here are the 10 exclusive gifts from Creative Fabrica. So you can download all these stickers or search for anything else you like. We are talking 10 full packs completely free to help you start boosting your income today. Head over to Creative Fabrica. I will leave the link in the comments so you can grab yours. Just scroll down to find the 10 free products with a risk-free trial section. Go ahead and start your free trial. You will need to create an account, but your discount for those 10 vector packs is already applied. It'll show up as $0. And here's the best part. After your trial, the price drops from the usual $10 to just $3.99 a month when you sign up for the year. If you decide it's not for you, you can cancel before the first month ends with no strings attached and no extra charges. But if you buy it, you will have year-round access to thousands of vectors to grow your business and support your family. Let's get creating. Alright makers, we are back at the machine. We have secured our leather blank onto the working bed, and this is the specific color we will be using for the engraving. Now, let's position everything correctly. The red light preview is running, so we can verify the exact engraving area. Remember, our parameters are already set. I highly recommend keeping a proper ventilation setup running because leather produces a lot of heavy smoke and a very strong odor. Personally, I use an extra fan alongside the built-in exhaust system at the back of the machine, and I work right next to an open window. We are almost done, and it's looking amazing. Check out how it turned out. To show you the actual color contrast, I'm going to give it a quick wipe to clear away the debris. Let me turn off the machine real quick so I can do a signature Sublimonchis camera pan. That is our first engraving. Now, let's move on to the second design. Let's send this second vector to the laser. Alright everyone, the second one is almost finished. Let's wipe it clean. See how easily the cloth removes the smoke residue and soot? Let's do another quick camera pan. Look how incredible that looks. I really love how this one turned out. Just look at that depth. It actually created a beautiful tactile relief on the surface. Look at the crisp detail we achieved simply by fine-tuning the calibration. This is the result of proper lens calibration, aligning the dual laser focus dots and calibrating the red light pointer for an accurate framing preview. Now we have our framing preview ready using the red light alignment pointer. Everything looks perfectly centered. Let's turn on the system and send the job. We are using the exact same speed and power parameters for consistency. Let me remove this so you can get a clear view, and I will power down the machine. Now you can see all three finished engravings up close with our classic Sublimonchis close-up. They turn out incredibly crisp. Ultimately, it's up to you to decide whether adding leather goods is the right move for your production line. It heavily depends on the specific niche your business focuses on. My goal is to support your journey by showing you real-world results alongside the estimated processing times and speeds in this tutorial. That is all for today's guide. Keep exploring our channel to learn more tips and tricks about the laser world. If you have any questions, leave them below. See you in the next video makers. This is the laser world with Sublimonchis. Happy engraving!